We're at 2340 Honolulu Avenue in Montrose, California at PVC College. We are in the downstairs women's restroom, and we have hydrojetted with high pressure water. We pulled the toilet and went through the closet bend down to the bottom, went through the stack and ran all the way out to the city sewer. And we got the line as clean as we possibly could. We did not want to overjet the line because the line is in very poor condition. We're going to run through now and take a look at the line after we've hydrojetted. We did clean a lot of the buildup out of the line. Certain parts we couldn't get to real well that are real close to the stack because of the fact that we can't run the jetter at full pressure when we're this close. And we tried to push as much of this debris through that we could. But unfortunately, very difficult to try and push through. We ran a high pressure hose with just water alone without the head on it and tried to push through. There's areas right here to the right where there's some deterioration, serious deterioration in the piping. We're going to run water after we put this toilet on, and we're going to flush the toilets numerous times and try and push some of this debris through as well. It will push some of it through with just the water. We've got areas in here where you can see to the top left, there's a divot on the top upper left about 11 o'clock area. That's where the piping is just rotted almost through. And we run the hose and it'll clean out down the center. It'll shoot down the center of this pipe and get a lot of it. Over here again, you've got a large divot on the right, and that's just deteriorated, and the pipe is pretty much shot. We've got areas here on the right-hand side, we've got a large divot, and then on the left-hand side, you can see the face of the other section of pipe where it's coming in. You have those ruts, big ruts in there, where we're going to the outer edge of the pipe, almost to a point where it's all the way through. This may last for a little while, hopefully. Again, you can see the face of that rim of the pipe on the left, and it's starting to shift and come in. And then you've got water sitting in the bottom, which is eroding the pipe. We have tie-ins. This is the upstairs faucet running. We needed to mark and locate this tie-in, which we're going to try and go out and mark out again where we're at, especially going through the CNC room. Make some turns in the line. kind of hard to see too much with the water and the line. We're gonna go out and mark out some areas and take a look at some things. You know, we got areas that we have big chips of corrosion just broken off. We're outside in the 6-inch sewer line. So we're going to pull back a little bit. We want to locate primarily in the CNC room. We would want to go to this point though. We'd want to go to that point and tie in. So we're going to mark this area outside real quick. Okay, we've located this area out in the middle of the alleyway back behind the college. And now we're going to pull back. We're going to pull back about 25 feet. And then we'll try and locate. We should be in the CNC room. Okay, we're going to stop right here and we're going to go locate again. Okay, we're going to pull back approximately another 15 feet, and we'll locate again. Okay, and we're going to go out and locate here again. Okay, we're just going to pull back another 5 to 7 feet and relocate again. We're just inside the doors of the CNC room. We're going to mark this tie-in. We would need to excavate right here, so we're going to mark this area. Okay, we've marked this area out, and we are approximately 4 feet inside the doors of the CNC room, the back doors. And this is the tie-in from upstairs. Get the face of the pipe right there, protruding again on this right side. Looks like it's starting to give a little bit. And here as well, got an area in there that looks like it may be cracked right there. And you can see the whole face of the cast iron pipe there on the left, which you shouldn't see. Should be pretty flush. A little bit of a turn. Looks like a 22-degree turn, 16 bend. And we just have buildup. We couldn't run out. Our jetter hose kind of just blew right through it. We broke it up, and it's just going to have to be washed through. We're going to try and get some water running in a minute and see if we can push some of this stuff. And we have a tie-in for the toilets next to us. And we're going to try and run water to see if we can push some of this stuff through with the camera. push quite a bit through. Pull back, pull our camera back. Quite a bit of buildup in here, which is behind our point where we can get water running without having this toilet in there. We're going to try and run some water in this area. I'm going to get a hose and we're going to pause for a minute. We're going to go ahead and run water down this closet vent area.